Hey y'all, it's Carmen with Real Life, and I am here with entry number 8, y'all. Entry number 8. This one comes from Enchantedbycraft with Solae. Y'all have got to check her out. She's so awesome. She's so stinking sweet, but she's also awesome. And where's she from? If I was a traveling lady, which I have not been, maybe one day, who knows, maybe on my bucket list. But the first country I'd want to go to is Australia. Yay! Anyway, okay, I'm sorry. I'm a little excited. I'm always excited. I feel so blessed and honored, y'all. Y'all are just, I don't know. Some of y'all just absolutely, your creations just take my breath away, and I just don't know what to say. And some of y'all just make me giggle like a little schoolgirl, and some of y'all just bless me beyond belief. Okay, my 14-year-old, let's try not to make this too long, but my 14-year-old daughter decided she wanted to open my packages today. I received 2. So she wanted to open my packages, so she opened them. And Solae had the sweetest, prettiest blue envelope, and she had flower border on it and word border. Oh my gosh, it was just pretty, and it was so nice to receive. Now, I did start this video once, and so I did remove my gorgeous bling fabric that I love so much. Only got to see the front. I have not got into it. I have not looked into it too deep. So the problem was my lighting was too bad that it just turned everything white. So let's see how this goes. I hope it's much better so that you can see some of the detail. Y'all ready? I am. Yay! This is what I saw was my name, y'all. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Goodies are falling out. Okay. I apologize. We'll get to that. My name. Y'all, I know y'all think that, oh, well, it's not that impressive. It is to me, and I'm going to tell you why. Because finding Carmen spelt exactly the way I spell it, it's not easy. I have had 2 keychains with my name on it. One, I had it for years. My husband got while he was out of town and traveling, and I got it, and eventually over so many years it broke. Then I had a very close friend of mine get me another one, and I've had it maybe 2 or 3 years now, and it's a keychain, same wooden keychain, but my name is not easy to find. Usually it's an A-N. Do you see that gold gorgeousness? Yes, my name sparkles. But this says, everything shines a little brighter because of you. That's how I feel about all y'all. So that is so sweet. I love it. And then I'm going to flip it over. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Do you see those? Oh, please tell me the camera is picking that up. Girl, that is such detail. Did you do that? She did those. Y'all, this girl is so talented. Yes, her link will be in the challenge, in the description box below. Oh, sweetheart. Oh my gosh, I am so in love right now. I am just so in love. Look at these little girls. Oh my gosh, and the flowers. It says fun, hello friend. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I'm just beside myself. Okay, let's see if is this a card? Yes. Okay, give me just a second. Sometimes the smallest things take up the most room inside your heart. Oh, you're absolutely right. Look, she's even put itty bitty star sequins on this card. Oh my gosh, girl, that is beautiful. And of course, who doesn't love the rainbow? It's my favorite color in the world. Okay. Oh, I keep promising I'm going to wear my glasses. And I just don't. Okay. And it's not that her handwriting's beautiful. It's me not being able to see, especially at night. It says, Dear Corman, hi, how are you? I'm so glad I can join your birthday challenge. It's so wonderful that you included international crafters, and I wish you loads of entries. I hope you like what I made you. Of course I will. Crafting is my therapy and the best medicine available. Other than crafting, my children and husband are my jewels. Thank you again. Mine too, sweetheart. Mine too. So obviously we have a lot in common, from Solae in Gold Coast, Australia. And I love that she put the date. That is so beautiful, Solae. Thank you so much, sweetheart. Girls just wanna have fun. Oh, girls. This is actually the same, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, the same wording she had on the bottom of the envelope. Oh my gosh, I could look at this forever, but I know y'all don't have forever, so let's just take a peek. Oh, this is her memory decks. How freaking awesome is that? I thought that was just I thought it was just a little extra embellishment on here. That is so awesome. Everything shines a little brighter because of you. Ticket Happy Place. And it says shaker. Oh my gosh. She's got the tool and the beautiful. This is the, okay, y'all. Remember, I'm not good with names. But I did haul something and did a giveaway. So this is the, oh my goodness. LOL? Yes, I think. Y'all can let me know if I'm wrong. And then she added this jewel. Is this the LOL girl? I'm not sure. Let me read you her information. Her name is Solae. Her birthday is the 24th of February. Another February birthday that shares with my daughter, my youngest baby. Her color is gold, pink gold. Anything glittery or iridescent. Yes to that. I also include bling. Style depends on what I'm making and for who. Good answer. Let's see. Her made by Solae, Enchantedbycraft, IG, and YouTube. So, let's see. Crafty item, ephemera packs, and stickers. Store, admire U.S. craft stores. Y'all, she has stitched this thing up. Oh, she has stitched this thing up. Do y'all see even the details on the back? And how pretty is all that? And girl, I hope I don't have to edit that. Your rosettes are so pretty. I don't have a rosette die. I don't know if you use one. I mean, I have kind of one, but not really. I'm so in love with this. Okay, let's see what she has in her pocket. I'm going to have to edit that out. But my phone's on charge while I'm recording. And I hit the cord. Oh my gosh. Rosettes, y'all. I have yet to create one. I've been too nerve-wracked. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. Adore. And she's got this black and white paper. I treasure the moments, the little things. Oh my gosh, and all the sparkle. Okay. Oh my gosh, another sticker. Yay. I love packets that have sprinkles in it. Y'all, I don't have a lot of sequins, and I have hardly any embellishments and ephemera, so yes, believe it, the very last video from Bethy, yes, all those sequins I saved. Don't think I didn't, because I did. And I'm saving every one of these too, because they are so cute. And I'm not even paying attention to y'all. I apologize. I hope that y'all can see it. I'm more into I'm more into what's been created than paying attention if y'all can see it or not. Isn't that so cute? It's an embellished paper clip, and then she's got so many ephemera pieces in here. And I'm going to let you take a peek. I'm not going to pull out because I know I've done ran my mouth long enough. But you know what ephemera looks like, and I cannot tell you the brand. Excuse me. I can tell you I've got a stamp similar to this, and I cannot wait. And the embellishment words, girl, I needed those. I don't hardly have any. So these mean a lot to me. My gosh, I am so happy and so excited. I want to make sure I got everything out of there. Do y'all see all the gorgeousness? Oh my gosh. I'm so in love. And this card. That card. Look at that color. Oh. I'm so thrilled. Yay, my first international and my name, y'all. My name. All shiny and sparkly. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I'm telling you, y'all do not want to miss out on her channel. I know most of y'all are probably already connected to her, but if by chance, please go check her out. Her link will be in the description box below. She's amazing, she's sweet, and you will love her. Thank y'all so much, and I've got one more video to do, so that will be up next. Thank you, and as always, I feel honored and blessed that you chose to enter my channel or my challenge, and I wish you the best always.